Chỉ được hết hơn 2 tỷ mày mất thì đánh 15 năm không lắm 15 điểm 15 điểm
anh là đẹp nổi thì nó lên
không ai nói
lên
rất nhiều tiền không ai nói xem
ấy xem nó lên biết
không kịp bảo ấy quả liêng trong một hai san này là phân liêng
dấu
Hasan đấy khá hiểm đầu may có soi chưa may có soi 2 hiệp đầu không điểm nhỉ vừa vào
trừ 30 xin để chết
bên đấy vẫn đang đánh một bảng bao gồm gì không trừ 30 xin để chết lên luôn nha
Can I next
skip skip the waiting time
so professional?
anh em music
Gì lắm?
cho hai thuốc quê
But it disconnect. Alin.
Welcome to UDBL Season 2 Playoffs Games. HKB versus Formosa. Game 1.
Wala yung ano niya, bro. Wala yung clock niya.
Opening of first quarter. Ready to pass to number 1, pass to number 12, back to number 1, pass to number 22, pass to number 12, back to number 41, back to 22 for 3. So no good. Rebound by jersey number 77. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam looking for his teammate. Pass to number 88. 88, pass to number 33. Still by jersey number 22. 22, pass to number 1. Number 1 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. Score 2-0 in favor of HKB. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Same ball. For 3 points on jersey number 1. Pass to number 1. Back to number 12. Pass to number 1 for 3 points on jersey number 1. Sam driving for 2. Isarago, rebound on jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 1. Tap to number 22. Back to number 1 for 2. Shooting foul on jersey number 32. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 1. Wala yung oras niya, bro. Ano? Yeah. Basket siya. Second shot is good on jersey number 1. Score 6-3 in favor of HKB. 77. Pass to number 32. Back to number 88. Pass to Sam for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. Sam. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 22. 22 for 2. Friendly roll on jersey number 22. 77. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Still on jersey number 12. Out of bounds. Formosa ball. Number 32, pass to number 1. Sam setting up the play. Sam. Pass to number 32. Owen, pass to Charles. Still by kickball violation for Formosa ball. The score 8-6 in favor of HKB. 2-point lead by team HKB. Number 1, Sam. Screen by number 88 for 3. It's a logo, the ball on jersey number 22. Top to number 24. Red, pass to number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to jersey number 22. Back to number 1. Number 1 for 3. It's a no good. They're going on jersey number 41. 41 for 2. It's a no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 41. 41 for 2. Foul. Number 1. Number 12 for 3. Sarogo, the ball on jersey number 1. Intercepted by number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22 fake. Drive for 2. Sarogo, the ball on jersey number 32. Foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Sam setting up the play. Pass to number 32. Back to number 77. Pass to number 1. Sam for 3. Sarogo, the ball on jersey number 24. Jumbo. Formosa ball. June. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 11. Back to number 32. Pass to number 77. Charles. Intercepted by jersey number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 2. Sarogo, rebound on jersey number 88. Pass to number 32. 32. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Sam driving. Sam looking for teammate. Sam for 2. Blocked by jersey number 1. Number 1 intercepted by jersey number 77. Back to Sam. Sam driving for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. Sam. Score tied at 8. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 24. Number 24. Foul. 2 shots on jersey number 24. Foul on jersey number 1. First shot is good on jersey number 1, at number 24. Second shot is no good, rebound by jersey number 11. Number 11, pass to number 77, Charles. Charles, setting up the play. Charles, pass to number 88. 88. Pass to number 32. 32, back to number 77, Charles. Charles, for 3. 3 seconds on jersey number 88. 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Number 12. Pass to number 22. For 3. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 1. Sam for 3. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 41. Pass to jersey number 22. Back to number 1. Number 1. Easy layup on jersey number 1. Score 11-8 in favor of HKB. Pass to Sam. Pass to Charles. Charles, back to Sam. Pass to number 32. For 3. Sanogo, the ball on jersey number 24. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 12. 12, setting up the play. Pass to number 1. Back to number 24. Pass to number 12. Back to number 1. For 3. Sanogo, best rebound by number 41. Traveling violation on jersey number 41 Formosa ball. Timeout Formosa. Kahit wala na siguro. Score 11-8 in favor of HKB. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Number 30, pass to Sam. Sam, pass to number 11, Chris. Pass to number 30, 30 for 2. Lucky bounce on jersey number 30. Number 1, pass to number 12. Pass to number 22. For 3. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 77. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam running the floor for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1, Sam. Change favor. 1 point lead by Team Formosa. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 41. Traveling violation on jersey number 41. Number 1, Sam. Setting up the play. Pass to number 30. 30. For 2. Sanogo, the ball on jersey number? Same ball. Number 30. Pass to number 1, Sam. Pass to Charles. Back to number 30. Number 30. Back to Sam. Sam driving for 2. It's no good. Rebound by Sam for 2. Still by jersey number 11. Sam. Pass to number 30 for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 1. Pass to number 22. 22. Back to number 12. Pass to number 1 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. Line violation on jersey number 1. Substitution. Substitution.
When the substitution comes, you need to yeah, basta. It's fine now.
Number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Intercepted by jersey number 1. Pass to number 30. 30 for 2. Shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 22. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 30. Score 14-12. 2-point lead by Team HKB. First shot. First shot is good on jersey number 30. Second shot is no good on jersey number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12 for 2. Foul! Shooting foul on jersey number 30. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 12. First shot on jersey number 12. First shot is good on jersey number 12. Second shot on jersey number 12. Basket good. Score 16-13 in favor of HKB. Sam setting up the play. Pass to number 88. 88. Pass to number 7. Number 7 for 2. Is a no good rebound on jersey number 41. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 1 for 2. Is a no good rebound on jersey number 7. Pass to number 1. Sam. Sam dribbling the ball. Steal by jersey number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Easy layup on jersey number 22. Number 30. 30. For 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. Sam. 24 seconds remaining. Number 22. 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Screen by number 41. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22 fake. Pull up for 2. Is a good one on jersey number 88. Still by jersey number 3 for 2. Is a good. End of first quarter. Score 18-16. 2-point lead by Team HKB. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1, back to number 32. 32, pass to number 12. Fake for 2. So no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 41. Pass to number 12 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 12. Number 30. 30, pass to number 1, Sam. Back to number 77, Charles. Pass to number 1, Sam for 3. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 41. Pass to number 32. 32, pass to number 41, Brett. Back to number 32. Pass to number 12. Back to number 22. Pass to number 1. Back to number 1 for 3. Sanogo, domestic rebound by jersey number 41. 41, pass to number 1. Sanogo. Formosa ball. Score 2016 in favor of HKB. Number 30. 30. Traveling violation on jersey number 30. Number 12. Pass to number 41. Back to number 1. Number 1 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. 8 minutes and 35 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Sam. Pass to number 30. 30. Back to number 77 for 3. Sanogo, the one on jersey number 41. Pass to number 12. Number 12, back to number 1. Pass to number 32. Number 32, pass to number 22. 22, dribbling the ball. Fake for 2. Sanogo, defensive rebound on jersey number 41. 41 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. Pass to number 1, back to number 30. 30, foul. Foul on jersey number 1. First personal foul, first team foul. Pass to number 1, Sam for 3. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Still by jersey number 7. Number 7 for 2. Number 12, pass to number 22. 22, pass to number 32. Back. Two personal foul on jersey number 1. First team foul on Team Formosa. Number 22. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Jump ball violation, Formosa ball. Number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 1 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. 32. 32. Pass to number 12 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 12. Score 27-19 in favor of HKB. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam fake. Foul. Foul on jersey number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. 90. Same ball. Number 26. Pass to number 7. Back to number 93. 93 for 2. Isano, good rebound on jersey number 12. Pass to number 22. Intercepted by jersey number 30. 30. Pass to number 93. Back to number 1. Sam. Pass to number 93. Back to number 30 for 3. Air ball. HKB ball. 6:28 remaining on the game clock. Number 32 setting up the play. Pass to number 12. Back to number 32. Pass to number 12 for 3. Isano, good rebound on jersey number 93. Pass to number 30. Back to Sam. For 3. Basket counted. Basket counted. Basket counted. Offensive foul on jersey number 4. Number 12, pass to number 32. 32, pass to number 12. Back to number 32. For 3. It's no good. Rebound by jersey, offensive rebound by jersey number 41. Pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Number 12. Sideline violation for Mosa ball. Number 93. Pass to number 30. Back to number 93. Pass to number 1. Number 1 looking for teammate for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Pass to number 32. Back to number 12. Number 12. Back to number 32. 32. Pass to number 12. Number 12 for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 1. Some for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. Timeout! HKB. Pass to number 41. Back to number 1 for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 1. He scored 27-26 in favor of HKB. 93. Pass to Sam. Pass to Charles. Back to Sam. Back to rebound by jersey number 32. For 2, basket good on jersey number 93. Score 27-28 in favor of Formosa. Number 22. Pass to number 12. For 3 points on jersey number 32. Number 93, setting up the play. Pass to number 1, Sam, back to number 30. Number 30, driving for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 93 for 2. Basket goal on jersey number 93. Score tied at 30. 32, setting up the play. Pass to number 1 for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 93. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 77 for 3. Black.
Sige, ikot ka, pwede naman.
93. Pass to number 30 for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 26. Foul on jersey number 93. Number 22, pass to number 32. Pass to number 1. Back to number 26 for 2. Basket pulled on jersey number 26. Foul on jersey number 93. 1 bonus free throw on jersey number 26. Second personal foul on jersey number 93. 13 foul on Team Formosa.
That's number 93. No calling. Injury.
Bonus free throw is good on jersey number 36. Charles. Pass to number 30. 30 for 2. Foul on jersey number 32. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 30. First shot. First shot is no good on jersey number 30. Second shot is no good on jersey number 22. Pass to number 1. Number 1 waiting for his teammate. Number 1. Pass to number 32. 32 fake. Pass to number 22. Same goal. Time 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on the game clock. Number 32. Same goal. Number 32. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 41. Pass to number 26 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 26. Number 1, pass to number 93. Number 93, pass to number 11. 11. Pass to number 77. Back to Sam. Sam for 2. So good. HKB ball. Score 35-30. 5-point lead by Team HKB. number 22. Pass to number 32. Pass to Brett. Brett, pass to number 22. 22 for 3. Sanogo, the ball on jersey number 30. 30. Intercepted by jersey number 26. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 1. Pass to 41. 41. 8. Foul on jersey number 93. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 41. First shot on jersey number 41. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is good. Score 37-13. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1. Sam. Reaching foul. Third team foul by team HKB. Number 1, Sam. Foul on jersey number 32. Fourth team foul on team HKB. Fourth team foul. Number 1, Sam. Black by jersey number 32. Rebound by jersey number 1. Number 1 is still by jersey number 93. Pass to number 77. Back to number 30. Number 30 still. Pushing foul on jersey number 1. Technical foul on bench of HKB. Technical shot is good.
Bro.
First shot on jersey number 1. First shot is no good on jersey number 1. No good. Rebound by jersey number 93. Pass to number 1, Sam. 1. Basket count.
Okay, got it.
1 second left remaining on the second quarter. 1 second. score, 37-34, end of second quarter.
Back to work.
Bóng bên nào đấy bao nhiêu? Xanh. Đã chỉ độ đấy.
Chỉ độ ấy.
Formosa ball. HKB ball. Number 12, setting up double A, pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 1. For 3 points on jersey number 1. Some for 3. So good. Rebound on jersey number 32. Pass to Charles. Charles, back to number 1, Sam. Sam, driving for 2.
Bro, ilang foul na yung number 1? Ilang foul na? Ah. Bro, ilang foul na yung number 1?
First shot on jersey number 1. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 1. Number 12. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. 22. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 41. 41 for 2. Sanogo, defensive rebound on jersey number 26. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Rebound by jersey number 1. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 1. Back to number 12. Back to number 1 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. Number 1, pass to number 32. Back to number 1, Sam. Sam. Pass to number 77 for 3. So now good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 11. Put back is good on jersey number 11. Number 1, pass to number 22. Back to number 1. Pass to number 22. Back to number 1. Pass to number 12. Back to number 22 for 3 points on jersey number 22. Score 46-38 in favor of HKB. Pass to number 77. Back to number 32 for 2. It's no good. Defensive rebound on jersey number 11. Pass to number 1. Back to number 12. Pass to number 1 again for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. Time out! Formosa!
How many foul I have?
Over there.
Score 48-38 in favor of HKB. 10-point lead by team HKB. Pass to number 30. 30, setting up the play. 30. Foul. Fourth personal foul on jersey number 1. Fourth personal foul on jersey number 1. Pass to number 1, Sam. Pass to number 30. 30, back to number 1, Sam. Pass to number 93 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 93. Number 12, pass to number 1. Number 1, back to number 12. Number 12, setting up the play. Screen by jersey number 41. HKB ball. Number 12, pass to number 22. 22 for 3. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Pass to number 30. Easy layup on jersey number 30. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 12, pass to number 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 1 for 3. It's no good. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 41. Back to number 1. For 3. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 93. Pass to number 1, Sam, pass number 30 for 2. Salago, rebound on jersey number 22. Pass number 41. Technical foul on jersey number 1. Number 93, fourth personal foul.
Number one.
Yeah, number 1 and number 93. Yeah, 4.
Number 1 foul out.
Fourth personal.
Number 22, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 22. 22, for 3. Salago, rebound on jersey number 1. Number 1, pass to number 30. 30, waiting for his teammate. Pass to number 1, for 3. Now, rebound by number 41. 41, pass to number 32. Formosa ball. Number 13. Pass to number 1 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1, Sam. Number 22. 22. Dribbling the ball. 22. Foul. Foul on jersey number 30. Second team foul for team Formosa. Number 32. Pass to number 12. Back to number 22. 22. Screen by jersey number 41. 22 driving for 2. Foul. Foul on jersey number 88. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 22. First shot is scored on jersey number 22. Score 49-47. 2-point lead by Team HKB. Second shot is number 1 by jersey number 88, June. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. Pass to number 93. Number 93. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. Out of bounds. HKB ball. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Pass to number 12. Number 12, driving for 2. Isa na go, rebound on jersey number 11. Pass to number 30. 30. For 2. Basket good on jersey number 30. Score tied at 49. Pass to number 26. Number 22. Back to number 32. Pass number 26. Number 26. For 2. Isa na good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Pass number 30. Number 30 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 30. Score. Timeout. HKB. Score 51-49 in favor of Formosa. (51-49) in favor of Formosa. 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Number 12, pass number 1. Number 12, pass number 41, Red, spin, Red for 2, foul. Foul on jersey number 88. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 41, Red. First shot on jersey number 41. First shot is no good on jersey number 41. Second shot. Second shot is good. Score 50-51 in favor of Formosa. Number 30 for 2. Sanogo, the ball on jersey number 41. Pass to number 1. Number 1, back to number 22. 22. Pass to number 41, Brad. Back to number 22 for 3. Sanogo. Out of bounds, Formosa ball. number 1. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 11. For 2, isa na good rebound on jersey number 1. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Screen by jersey number 41. Number 12. Number 1, Song, setting up the play. Pass to number 77. Intercepted by jersey number 1. Song. Song for 3. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 12. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining. Number 12 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 12. Number 1. Pass to number 77 for 3. So no good. Rebound on number 11. So no good. Formosa ball. Substitution.
10.
10 seconds remaining. Number 13. Pass to number 7. Number 7 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 7. Score 52-53. Favor of Formosa. Number 1. Setting up the play. Pass to number 41. 41 driving for 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. Pass to number 1, Song. Song. Setting up the play. Out of bounds, HKB ball. 1 minute and 1 second remaining on the game clock.
Okay ka lang, Sir Steph. Di ba ano mo yun, Sir Steph? Ayun yung minabutan mo dati.
Number 12. Pass to number 1. Back to number 41. Pass to number 1. Number 1 fake for 2. Isa no good. Offensive rebound on jersey number 22. Fouled out! Jersey number 93. Fouled out.
5.
Fair shot on jersey number 24. First shot is no good on jersey number 24. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 24. Score 55-53 in favor of HKB. Number 1, pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 30. Score tied at 55. Number 1 setting up the play. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 22. Foul. Illegal pick on jersey number 4. Seven seconds remaining. Foul on jersey number 33. 30. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 12. 1 minute, 1 second remaining on the game clock. 1 second. Two shots on number 12. First shot is good on jersey number 12. 58-55 in favor of HKB. And the third quarter is score 58-55 in favor of HKB.
Lawan niya magatalay. Kung okay yan. Bro, hindi ko na play yung first 5.
Number 30. Back to number 1, Sam. Sam. Back to number 30. 30. Pull up 2. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Back to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Number 12. Fake. Pass to number 41. Pass to number 1 for 2. Offensive rebound by jersey number 1. Pass to number 41. Back to number 12. Still by jersey number 30. Easy layup on jersey number 30. Number 12. Pass to number 22. 22 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 22. For 3. Sarago, rebound on jersey number 1. Number 1. Waiting for his teammate. Pass to number 22. 22. Screen by jersey number 24. Back to number 1. Pass to number 22. Back to number 41. 41. For 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. Number 1. Pass to number 77. Pass to number 1. For 2. Sanogo, defend by jersey number 4. Basket good on jersey number 4. Number 12. Pass to number 22. 22. Screen by jersey number 24. 22. Pass to number 24 for 2. Easy layup on jersey number 24. Score 65-59. Number 30. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 77 for 3. It's an August. Same ball. Same ball. Pass to number 88 for 2. It's no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to number 22. 22. Formosa ball out of bounds on jersey number 22. Number 30. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. 65-63 in favor of HKB. 2-point lead by Team HKB. Pass to number 41. 41. Pass to number 1. Back to number 41. 41 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. Sam. Pass to number 30. 30. Steal by jersey number 1. Number 1. Traveling violation on jersey number 12. Formosa ball. Number 1 setting up the play. Sam for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. The score 67-66. 1-point lead by Team HKB. Number 41. Pass to number 24. Still by jersey number 1. Traveling violation on jersey number 24. Formosa ball. Timeout Formosa. Both teams had one timeout. Number 30, pass to number 1. Number 1, back to number 30. Number 30. Lagging foul. Number 30, pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. For 2. Aggressive rebound by jersey number 88, pass to number 1, Sam. No basket. Foul on jersey number 24. Number 30. Pass to number 77. 77. Pass to number 11. Back to number 1, Sam. Sam. Sam for 3. Serogo, the best rebound on jersey number 11. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. Pass to number 30. 30. Pass to number 11. HKB ball. Five minutes and 21 seconds remaining on the fourth quarter. Number 12, pass to number 41. Same ball. Number 41, pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 24. 24. Back to number 12 for 3. Passive rebound on jersey number 24. 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Fake for 2. Basket good on jersey number 1. Number 1, Sam. Pass to number 77. Charles driving for 2. Foul on jersey number 41. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 77.
Hindi nagbaba?
First shot is low on jersey number 77. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 77. Number 12. Pass to number 22. 22. Back to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. 22. Dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 1 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 22. Number 1, Sam. Pass to number 30. 30. Pass to number 11. Number 11 for 2. Isa na good rebound on jersey number 24.
Na-steal pa naman nila. Na-steal.
Formosa ball, Formosa ball. Timeout! Formosa!
Can I replay the live stream? Can I replay?
The last one. The score is 73-66 in favor of HKD. This game is brought to you by Jin Kapitan. Number 30. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 3. So no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 88. Escape by jersey number 22. Number 22. Number 22 screen by jersey number 1. Back to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 22 screen by 41 for 3. No basket. Formosa ball. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 30. Number 30 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 30. Score 73-68 in favor of 69 in favor of HKB. Pass to number 41. Back to number 1. Pass to number 22. Back to number 12. Pass to number 41. 41 for 2. So no good. Foul. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 24. First shot is no good on jersey number 24. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining on the game clock. Second shot is good on jersey number 24. He scores 74-69. For 3. Foul on jersey number 12. Three bonus free throw on jersey number 1. First shot is good on jersey number 1, Sam. Second shot is good on jersey number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 24. 24, back to number 1. Pass to number 22. 22, stay by jersey number 1. Sam. Foul. HKB already in the penalty. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 1. First shot is good on jersey number 1. Run by jersey number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 24. Back to number 22. 22. For 3. It's a no good. Rebound on jersey number 1. HKB ball. HKB ball. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 1. One minute and 51 seconds remaining. Number 22. Number 22. Number 22. For 2. Isanogo, rebound on jersey number 11. Chris, pass to number 30. 30. 30 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 30. He scored 74-73. 1 point lead by Team HKB. Number 12. Driving. Third team foul on Team Formosa. Number 1, pass to number 12. Number 12. Setting up the play. The screen by jersey number 1. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Formosa ball. 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 13 seconds. HKB leading by 1. Number 30, pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1, pass to number 88. Back to number 1 for 3. Number 22. 22. Screen by jersey number 1. 22. For 2. Isanogo, rebound on jersey number 11. Just started by jersey number 1. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 1 for 3. Isanogo. Rebound by jersey number 88, pass to number 11, back to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 30 for 2. 2 points on jersey number 30. Score 74-75. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 22. Basket good on jersey number 22. 11 seconds remaining.
Không hết timeout rồi, hết timeout rồi. Hết timeout rồi.
No timeout for Team Formosa.
Hôm nay cả hai chúng mình ngồi như một cái rồi.
Bên kia nó bảo là nó gọi trước rồi thì bên này không gọi nữa. Quét. Hôm nay cái xin trước.
Sino tayo magkanina?
Thằng xin trước nhưng mà hai cũng
À.
Yeah, time out.
Time out, Team Formosa.
Ano daw? What a game. Oh yeah.
11.8 seconds remaining. Number 1, pass to number 30. Number 30 for 2. Basket goal for jersey number 30. Shout out to number 30. 77. 6.2 seconds remaining. 13 foul for Team Formosa. 13 foul for Team Formosa. 13 foul. Team foul, third.
Oh. Ang calm niya, ang calm niya. Ang calm niya.
13 foul.
13 foul.
.2 seconds remaining. 6.2. Number 12, pass to number 41. Foul. Warning for penalty, Formosa. Warning for penalty. 4th team foul.
What a play!
Foul on jersey number 30. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 26. 3.6 seconds remaining. First shot is good on jersey number 26. Second shot is good. 3 seconds. 3. Both teams shake hands. Both teams shake hands. Both teams shake hands. Both teams played well.
Hindi, wag na. Sa ano na?